Today we are looking at a very nice Kelly Duplex model 2650 seed mixer. This unit was previously being used to mix a birdseed ration at a feed mill. The unit was manufactured in 1968. This unit is a true survivor. It was used very little. You can see the paint is not even worn off of the inlet spout. The unit is in just very, very nice condition overall. Has the heavy cast iron picture window. You can see the mix progressing. Has a quick clean out door. As you can see, it is functional. It's a very, very nice unit. Here is a look at the data tag. We also have pictures of this. Unit has a discharge sacking spout right here. You simply pull this when you want to discharge product into sacks or totes or into a bucket elevator. Unit is equipped with a ball door, 3/4 horse, 230, 115 volt, single phase motor. This unit has been pulled and taken to the motor shop and completely rebuilt. It is in ready to run condition. The unit runs quiet and cool. This unit is currently set up for 115 volt operation. You can see here, it's just plugged into our extension cord here. We're gonna go ahead and fire the unit up for you now. See, the unit just hums right to life. There are no irregular noises. The unit is ready to go to work and run for a long, long time. This is a beautiful example of an older seed mixer in just perfect condition. Unit is in great condition overall. Unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. Please see all of our other videos for all other seed, grain, and feed processing equipment. Again, this is the Kelly Duplex 2650. This is a 500-pound small batch mixer. It's in perfect condition, ready to ship. Thank you for watching.